Hello y'all, today we're doing an Xbox One HDMI port replacement, although I don't think it's going to fix it. I'm not trying to be negative, I just think it's the hard drive. Moving forward. May get a little bit loud, so you might want to turn down your audio. Let's try to turn that on. And so the pictures, well, that's weird. E106, so it'll be a two-parter. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We'll have to put a hard drive in as well. New videos dropped every Sunday. Memberships available. Store now open. Refurb units on the way.